Hi everyone, it's Auri-Katarina. Today I will be taking you with me to clean a home of a single mother who is in a difficult situation. Her child had recently fallen ill and the mother took really good care of her, but the home had understandably gotten in a poor condition. Luckily, she was brave enough to ask my help. And when I heard her story, I really wanted to help them. Me and my best friend were really excited to clean this home because they really needed our help. And we want to provide them a clean home. Also, a lot of cleaning tips coming soon. Let's start the cleaning! Woohoo! If you have a messy home and you feel overwhelmed and you don't know where to start, I have a solution for you. First, start by collecting all the belongings that are laying around into a box or a bag. Just got them out of your way. Then all the surfaces, floors, tables are really easy to clean. After cleaning the surfaces, you can start organizing the stuff back. I have no idea what this is. Do you have any guesses? If we find letters or bills, we save them all because we don't know what is important and what is not. Here I'm using only microfiber cloth and water. Pro tip! If you have dried food on your floor or tables, try a scraper. If you are afraid to use it, try it backwards. This is how you get rid of dried food stains. First, spray multi-purpose cleaner and wait at least 15 to 30 minutes. The time will work for you. Then scrub it. And scrape it if needed. We noticed that these chairs needed a small fix, so I have this amazing toolbox always with me. And we fix them so they are safer. This is how I wash the dishes. Voila! This life hack will save your oven trays. First, spray oven cleaner. And then put cleaning film on top of it. Leave it there at least 3 hours. Mine was there for 5 hours. Look, it's so easy to scrub off. For this sink, I'm using oven cleaner and of course, Scrub Daddy. Oops! For polishing, I'm using Power Paste. Cucumber on the floor. Not anymore. Try a scraper. When I saw this cucumber, I was so excited. Ooh! Did you know that you can remove oven knobs and wash them? I still had some stains, so I removed those with Power Paste. Have your kids ever painted on your walls? That's okay. It's really easy to remove it. Just use Power Paste and microfiber towel. I use Squeaky for the carpets. It's super easy, as you can see. I also wipe the floors with it. Usually I don't have time to wash laundry in these homes, but now we did. So I'm using Nord-Clean laundry liquid. What is this? For the corners, I'm using microfiber towel and scraper inside of it.